Here's the second part of my Fisher Anvil number 5. Cast in 1892. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to go any further than this. I took the rust off the top, and I took the chips down, rounded the corners, or the sharp edges on them, because if you don't, they're just going to try to chip even more. So I don't know, in the future maybe I'll go a little further, maybe feather them out a little bit so they look better. And I left the bottom part natural, except that I put a coat of Johnson's paste wax over all of it, and I think it'll keep it looking natural. Let's get back a little further. So I think that's as far as I'm going to go with it.